When was the last time you had a courageous conversation?
Well, Lucero, I think it was yesterday with you. It actually was a potentially quite difficult conversation, and you were brilliant because you called it out early, so we nipped it in the bud.
Yeah. And for me, what was going on is I'm sensing this. She's asking questions, I'm giving her answers, they're not satisfying her like they normally would. We would move on. And it's like, if I would have let this go, fine. But what would have happened is I would have noodled over it after the call. And I would have been like, something's going on with her. Ooh, am I delivering what I need to? She's having doubts. I'm seeing her tomorrow. Maybe I'll ask her. And so look at all that energy spent where I was like, okay, nip it in the bud. Hey, Joanna, let's pause. What's going on for you? I feel like you're frustrated. Did something happen before the call? Am I not answering? Are you feeling this? Are you feeling that? And then that just created the space, safe space, to be able to go, okay, this, that, and the other. And so then we move on, we talk about what we needed to talk, and after that hour, I think we're both good. So these assumptions were like miraculously gone.
No, it was brilliant. And I think so often people don't call things out in the moment and don't nip it in the bud. So well done. Well, that's it.
Thank you for listening, and we hope to see you soon.
We'll have more things to share about courageous conversations in another video.